Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get X profile link. So let's get started. Begin by launching your X application. Then tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on Profile option. Now tap on the three vertical dots at the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on the Share option. Then select Notes. All you need is x.com and your username, so erase the other text. And that's it. This is how you can get your X profile link. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.